grade history, September 8th. So, you should have read page 330 in your book and highlighted all of your important bold words or underlined things in there. Excuse me, the underlined information. One of the things that I wanted to touch base with you specifically on concerning your reading on page 330 were the parallels of latitude. These are two definitions that you will need to know for your quiz coming up. Parallels of latitude are imaginary lines on the earth that run east and west. You need to get out your note card. Remote students, I know you have note cards. I sent note cards with everyone. I know I did, positively. So get out your 4x6 card. One of those is for history, and I think the other one will be for science today as well. But definitely get out one for history right now. And we need your quiz will be on Thursday. So put that at the top of your card, quiz Thursday. So you need to know the parallels of latitude are the imaginary lines on the earth that run east and west. Put that definition on your paper. You can pause the video until you're ready for me to go on. The next definition that you need to know are lines of longitude. These are the imaginary lines of the earth that run north and south. So east to west are parallels of latitude. North to south are lines of longitude. So once you have these two definitions written on your paper, you also should have a little piece of a square paper that looks something like this. You will need to go ahead and cut around that and glue that to the back of your note card, and we are going to label those lines, or our line of longitude and then the lines of latitude, okay? You can pause me until you're ready for me. All right, so let's start with our line going straight down the middle. This is a line of longitude. It's going from north to south. The name of that line is the prime meridian. So you need to label that line prime meridian, okay? And then let's go to our other middle line that's in the middle, running from east to west. So that is a parallel of latitude. And who thinks they could guess what that line is, or if you've looked in your book already? Sure, it's the equator. So that line is our equator. So our main line going from the north to south is the prime meridian. From east to west is the equator, okay? And now let's start at the top. So up here at the top, we have the Arctic Circle. That parallel of latitude is the Arctic Circle. Label it on your map. Under the Arctic Circle, we have the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Remember, you can pause the video whenever you need to. Then we have our equator. We already labeled that one. After that, we have the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn is this parallel latitude line. And then after the Tropic of Capricorn, we have the Antarctic Circle. The Antarctic Circle. So going straight down, we should have Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle. And then from north to south, the prime meridian. Okay? So you need to have both definitions, and you need to know the labels on your lines of latitude and longitude.